The cantilever racking system is one of the most optimal storage solutions for large and bulky goods. This rack system is ideal for long products such as wooden planks, plastic pipes, steel bars, construction materials, and more. This is a cantilever racking system installed by Viet Mechanical for a wood industry. With the rack heights exceeding 6 meters and a load-bearing capacity of up to 1,000 kg per arm. Each cantilever rack is designed to ensure large and optimal load capacity, meeting the specific requirements of the wood industry. The cantilever racking system is perfect for storing large panels, long wooden planks, or wood products such as wooden columns, and finished wood products, ensuring a neat and organized storage space. Recently, Viet Mechanical has completed an export order of cantilever racks for a unit in the industrial manufacturing industry. Our engineering team designed and created detailed drawings tailored to the customer's needs. The installation process was carried out carefully and thoroughly, including technical checks before shipment to ensure the product's quality upon delivery. Each rack is designed with a height of over 6 meters, including 5 levels of shelving, with each arm extending 1 meter and capable of holding up to 500 kilograms per arm. The benefit of this cantilever rack is that it allows for easy control and management of products, while also preventing direct contact with the warehouse floor, thus reducing the risk of product damage. With over 15 years of experience in the industry, Viet Mechanical has completed various cantilever rack projects for clients from multiple industries such as plastic pipe manufacturing, steel, construction materials, and more. An example is the pipe storage cantilever racks that Viet Mechanical has designed and manufactured according to customer specifications. From small pipes to large diameter pipes, our cantilever racks meet all requirements for storage, quality, durability, and optimal operation. Finally, after completing the technical checks, the cantilever racks are carefully packaged and delivered on schedule directly to the customer's location. With over 15 years of experience in manufacturing and exporting storage racks, Viet Mechanical is committed to always providing high-quality products that meet all technical and design requirements, helping optimize warehouse space and improve operational efficiency for businesses.